If you want to access Substance 3D for free, let's walk you through the process of submitting your student and teacher license request. The first thing to do is to sign in from your Adobe ID. If you don't have one, create an Adobe ID. Once your Adobe ID is created, or if you already have one, provide your Adobe ID along with your country or region. You will receive an email with initials of "Do Not Reply Adobe Partner Offer." This email will contain a product code beginning with SBST for the verification process. Enter the provided product code and the required details on the verification webpage. To check the status of your verification, visit the Identit-e webpage. If the verification fails or you need additional support, contact the Identit-e support team. Once verification is approved, the status will be updated on the Identit-e webpage. You will then receive an email with a redemption code. Enter this code at redeem.adobe.com. If you encounter any errors during submission, contact support for assistance.